in the desert, where everything is found, such as Coca-Cola bottles, sticks with a nail in the sock. This is the post. A big stick. And trees. However, what the hell? However, everything may be found in the desert. Oh, rainforest. I have stuff puddles that people fell in. As you can tell, there's a big crater in the middle. Yeah. Focus it on me. Focus it on me. Then you have your stones. Your acorns. Your stones and lakes. And of course, you have your broken in half shovel. You also have wild turkeys out in the distance. Look at that beauty. You must be quiet, because there were aliens back in that house over there. Get down, cameraman. Of course, you have your broken shovels. That's our hollow. Poor thing. And that is the Sahara rainforest. Good night. And fair riddance.